In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then tap on device unlock. And if you don't have screen lock, you need to set it up to continue because face unlock requires it. So make sure you have it. Then click on Fingerprint and Face Unlock section. Choose Face on the left and enter your current screen lock. Hit Add Now. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from the screen. Then hit Done. Now make sure this switcher next to screen unlock is blue, because without it you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. Then manage all of the other ones however you want to. So when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!